Right, this here is the monitor. See how long it is? It's got a bit of a dink there, which is a bit worrying. So what I'll do is I'll just open it up. Where's the top? Here's the top. So I guess I'll just unbox it. It's gonna be kind of hard to do. I'm doing this in the kitchen because I don't have any other space. This thing's so big. So let's get cracking on here. Right, so just cut along the edge here. This is the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G9 widescreen monitor. It is an absolute beast. Let me just see if I can get in here. Wow, look at this thing. It's white, which is great. There's lots of bits of paper floating around here. I have a ring thing, one ring thing. You see me okay? I have a rod thing. There's some power cables here and CDs and a cup thing. Right, let's get all this out of here and just get the thing up on the monitor, on the tabletop. Oh, it's all suction content. Here we go. Oh, God, it's heavy. Box is in the way. Whew, it's nice and heavy. See it? Wow, look at that curve. Oh, from the back, it's beautiful. What a beautiful looking machine. Oh my goodness, that's fantastic. Look at that. It's like a visor for a giant. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. So there it is. It's a pretty big thing. Looks absolutely fantastic. I love it. Let's have a look around here so you can see what is going on around here at the back. It's absolutely superb. Nice tape on it. And it's got lots of little slots in here. So what I'm going to do is turn it upside down so we can see exactly what it does. And the thing is just, isn't this like ridiculous? Just how vast this thing is. Right, so here it is upside down now. And you see this side, it's just got the IEC or the kettle lead, whatever you want to call it. And then over here it's got two HDMIs, a display port in and a display port in, headphone socket, USB and USB. I can't remember what that USB is called, but that's USB and two other USBs. So it's quite interesting. Now I think you can actually run it as if it's two monitors, and that's quite handy for streaming. So half the screen can be your chat and your streaming software, and the other half can be your game. So I think that's what the point of this is. It's up to you how you run it. So basic, standard outputs and inputs. So I think what I'll do now is put the stand on it and set it all up so it's ready to go. Let's see exactly what you get. This is the only cable bag that comes with it. And here you've got the standard, nice consideration to have the right angle on it. That's the American connector, but you do get the, or the European connector, or whatever you want to call it. You do get the British one as well. There, with that, it's intriguing. Where does that go? Is there a British connector as well? Well, luckily I've got loads of these, so that's intriguing. I'm not quite sure what the deal is there. You get like a little manual. This is just your warranty. This says, oh, it's a user manual. Warranty card. Warranty card. This looks like some sort of setup guide. Don't know what that is. Oh, connecting using source devices. This is some sort of, that's the manual. Okay, so lots of boring bits of paper. Other cables you get are, I can't remember, there's the USB. I can't remember, you get this USB with it. I can't remember what that connector's called. And then there's one display port cable as well, and that's your lot pretty much. So let's install this thing. So it's got this big sheet of plastic on the back, which is the first thing I'm going to take off. I know people don't like taking this off. Very satisfying though. Little bits of sticky tape everywhere to vex me, to challenge me and vex me. Get the stand here, and then this goes into the stand like that. Yeah, that's the plan. That screws it in there. Oh, is that all? Was I wrong what I said just a minute ago? Wow, that's super easy. Oh, so I think that's it. Now, I'm not sure that's going to be enough. It seems. Oh God! What do you think? That's massive. Oh, tilts and all sorts. Right, I'm just going to go double check that that's set up correctly. But that's essentially what you get with this monitor. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. Now I've got the monitor up, I'm going to build the rest of the computer, which I will probably do in little modular videos as well. So, or maybe I'll do it in one big build. Who knows? That video, it's either already been made or I'm about to make it. Well, I'm about to make it, but it may already be up by the time you've watched this. So fish around, see if you can go watch that, or I'll put a little message up there to give you a link to it. And I hope you enjoy. Hope you found this helpful. Any questions, down in the comments below, and I'll let you know. But this thing is a beast.